In the rapidly evolving landscape of quick commerce industries, the demand for efficient, reliable, and innovative packaging solutions for fresh items has never been higher. These industries, characterized by their swift delivery times and commitment to preserving product quality, require seamless integration of advanced hardware and software to ensure the integrity of perishable goods from storage to doorstep. An ideal packaging solution for fresh items in the quick commerce sector combines state-of-the-art hardware and cutting-edge software to maintain freshness, enhance operational efficiency, and meet stringent safety standards. This comprehensive approach addresses critical aspects such as temperature control, real-time monitoring, and inventory management, ensuring that consumers receive the highest quality product. Smart innovative solution for the quick commerce industry's fresh packing focuses on integrating advanced weighing and labeling systems into the packaging process. This solution ensures precise weight measurements of perishable items, enhancing accuracy in order fulfillment. It incorporates smart scales that automatically relay weight data to a centralized system, which then generates and prints accurate, detailed labels. These labels include essential information such as weight, product details, expiration dates, and QR codes for tracking. Smart Impact installs its productivity control solution to optimize the production process in the fruit and vegetable industry. Productivity control provides real-time or historical information for the manager to make decisions. Once the operator is identified, the product data and validity limits are sent to the indicator from the management software. An agile and intuitive solution in which the traffic light indicates if the operator is close to the target weight and the missing or excess units or grams to reach the target weight per pack. The operators will focus only on filling the containers with quality product as the traffic light warns when the target weight is reached, controlling in real time what is happening in the plant from any device with access to a web browser, reducing overfill losses. Smart Impact Productivity Control Solution per Workstation is the new way of working for the fruit and vegetable sector.